This is the brief on DryVocal, clean voice isolation tool. So, DryVocal. Yeah, it's this really highly rated tool powered by AI. Basically, it's for anyone kind of wrestling with messy audio. Think of it like your go-to for pulling super clean voices out of, well, pretty much anything complex. Maybe you're podcasting, maybe you're a musician trying to sort out tracks. It's tagged as hashtag audio AI, hashtag music tool, and hashtag voice isolation, by the way. Okay, first thing you gotta know, it's accessible, like really accessible. Even though it's got this fancy AI stuff going on, the tool itself is totally free and super lightweight. So, professional level voice isolation, yeah, it's not some high cost thing anymore. Pretty big deal, right? Second, what it actually does. It's not just, basic EQ filtering. Nah, it uses these smart neural networks to really understand what a human voice sounds like. Then it just pulls that clean voice track right out of whatever audio you give it. You end up with these pristine tracks, like, instantly. And finally, its main superpower, getting you sound that's just crystal clear. Seriously, it pulls voices out even when it's tough, like tons of background music or maybe a recording with people talking over each other. It just slices right through that noise, leaving you with clean audio. Pretty amazing. So yeah, DryVocal basically makes tackling voice isolation way, way simpler, giving you that high quality, clean audio right when you need it.